What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. This will be the follow-up of me prepping my car for spray. And as you guys can see, I'm alone at the shop today. Wes went to work. The rest of the jeans are out doing their thing. It is a Saturday, but I chose to come and work on my car. I actually want to lay some primer onto this car today, and most possibly, hopefully, lay a color. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to put you guys in the cinematics. I'm not going to bore you with anything else. So yeah, welcome back to another one and enjoy. Now it's a bit dark and this guy is here. We are going to shoot quickly. We just need to fill up the gun quickly with the primer and then we're gonna shoot our first layer coat. So yeah, guys, here we go.
You off my mind.
So yeah guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys like the footage, and for you that stayed till this far, thank you for being loyal, thank you for being our supporters. Thank you for the people on the ground that always support us weekly with our parkups. If you didn't know, we do host parkups weekly. I cannot disclose the location here, but however, it is banging weekly. Thank you for the guys that always pull through and support our parkups. It's a venture that we thought would never blow up like it's blown up. And today I can say I'm proud to can host these type of things for the community, and just to get the young people off the streets and into some fun activities where we share passions amongst one another. Thank you for bringing your cause along. I absolutely love each and every of your builds, and I look forward to see you guys again. So yeah, from me and the rest of the team, once again, thank you for supporting us. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. And if you didn't, pause this video right here. Click the bell icon at the bottom. Click the like. Click the sub. Share the heck out of it. Guys, for now, I'll see you guys in the next one. It's about to be a banger. Peace.